Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 20 Year Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay tuned to my channel by subscribing. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my video that I share to my channel daily. I hope and I know you are waiting of my new video. So guys, I'm here again with one of new topic again. Here you go. So guys, I'm here again with lot of prayers, lot of best wishes. God bless you all. Stay blessed, stay happy. So guys, today my topic is about short haircuts. These all short haircuts that I'm sharing in this video are really beautiful. I'm not sharing our specific short haircuts, but I am sharing all type of sharing short haircuts like bob haircuts, short haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, non-pixie bob haircuts, layer haircuts. You can see there are all type of haircuts you can see, and you can choose one of your favorite haircut short among them. There are all type of short haircuts in this video you can see. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end because I am sharing all type of short haircuts in this video. I am sharing all beautiful, latest, unique and gorgeous short haircuts in this video. All celebrities and models look short haircuts are presenting in this video. You can see after adopting these haircuts you got model look, no doubt. These haircuts are really beautiful, latest, trendy according to fashion. Mostly celebrities, models, college going girls, young girls, office going girls adopt these hairstyles. After adopting and getting these hairstyles, they feel young because these hairstyles are really latest, modern, and beautiful. After getting these hairstyles, you love yourself, and other also love yourself too. These all hairstyles will inspire you to get your long hairstyles and long hairs to short. Just take screenshot of your favorite hairstyle, go to your hairstylist and get your favorite hairstyle with your favorite hair color and fashion color, and let me know also through comment section. You can appreciate me through comment section too. It will be my pleasure. You can also give me any idea about the next video. It will be my pleasure to make video on your ideas. So guys, if you like the video, you can share these videos to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they also know about the latest fashion that I share daily. So guys, let me know which hairstyles, hair color and which fashion color you select for yourself, and with which hairstyle you will go on. Well, these all hairstyles are my favorite too, and I hope you guys also like these all hairstyles too. Well, this is very difficult to choose one from them because these all are really beautiful. So guys, I will be there in next video with another of your favorite topic. Till then, take care yourself. Don't forget to like, share and comment the video. Keep sharing, keep watching and keep spotting. Your spotting keep me energetic and give me honor. So guys, stay blessed and keep remember me in your prayers too. I will be there in next video. Till then, take yourselves. Have a great hair day.